If your love life feels like a flickering candle, it's time to reignite the flame. Let's talk about something that matters, your confidence. Jamaican Stone is here to help you reclaim your bedroom prowess naturally. Derived from tree sap, this little wonder boosts stamina, enhances control, and prolongs those precious moments. It's like nature's own secret to lasting confidence and intimate satisfaction. But hey, we're all about keeping it real. While Jamaican Stone promises amazing benefits, it's important to use it wisely. Safety first, always. Make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before diving in. And remember, intimacy is about connection, so keep communication open with your partner. So ready to reignite the passion? Discover the natural power of Jamaican Stone today, and make every moment unforgettable. Visit JamaicanBlackstone.com now, and take that first step towards renewed confidence. Because you deserve to feel incredible every single time.